Hello, third graders, and welcome to Grammar for today. We're going to continue looking at pronouns to help us add variety to our sentences. Now, we have learned that pronouns replace regular nouns, nouns like people, places, or things. Some examples we've looked at are like mom, we can use she or he. Crayon, we can use it or that, and park, we could use things like that. Now, if there is a plural noun, so maybe crayons, we would use something different than just one crayon. So maybe if I say look at those, that would mean multiple crayons. Or if I say look at that, that would mean look at that one crayon. So our pronouns change with the number of things we are talking about. Today we're going to continue looking at some pronouns we can replace for normal nouns. This is going to look very similar to what we did the other day in our past lesson, in which we are going to highlight what the pronoun is replacing. I will do 5 together with you, and you will do 6 through 12 on your own. Number 1. It is getting dark outside. We should go back home. Now, it does not tell us exactly what the noun is that we're replacing, but we are replacing it with people, we. Number 2, Lori looks sad. I wonder if blank needs a friend. Now we're talking about Lori, so it's going to have to be a female pronoun. I wonder if she needs a friend. Number 3, as we're going through, make sure that you are writing this out on your class kick. The kittens are growing fast. Soon, blank will open their eyes. Now we're talking about the kittens, and I can see that it is plural. There is more than one. So I can't say soon it will open their eyes because we're talking about more than one. Soon they will open their eyes. Number 4. Your friend left a message. You should call blank back. Now we're talking about the friend. You should call them back. And finally, number 5. Ahmed helped his sister get on the bus. He watched blank get off safely at school. Now this one I see 2 nouns, Ahmed and the sister. I'm trying to figure out what to put in here. So am I talking about Ahmed or the sister? He watched blank get off the bus, get off safely at school. We're talking about the sister. So we have to write a female pronoun. He watched her get off safely at school. You will continue 6 through 12 and any additional activities for pronouns today.